alive. Only the strong will survive, and those are the ones that have their heart and mind connected as one. So if you feel like the world's against you, just know you're not the only one.
They don't know, no, 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 no. They don't know, no, 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 no. They don't know, no, 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 no. They don't wanna see me win, they just wanna see me fall. You think I'm surprised by the envy you sweat? Well, against me by my side like I don't exist. This war zone is hazardous, but I stay breathing in and out. They don't wanna see me win, they'd rather see me underground. They said I'm dying off, and that must mean intelligence is a dying breed. But yeah, I'm still as marvelous as can be, and shining on you playboys and haters like an eclipse. I guess you're just blinded by this human being. Yeah, I'm that beast, with flaws and scars and a smile that have a girl melting at a grease. So go on and hate, cause my heart's been dripping and setting ablaze. Where you stay gossiping and dropping, I stay plotting, hopping over obstacles like I gotta get that kick. So she smiles and waits for me to flood her gates. Well, you think it's love, but she has had her eyes on me since our past took fate. Yeah, you don't wanna see me win. No, you don't wanna see me win. You don't wanna see me win. No, 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 no. You don't wanna see me win. They don't know, no, 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 no. They don't know, no, 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 no. They don't know, no, 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 no. They don't wanna see me win, they just wanna see me fall. Hate to be the bearer of bad news, but that's something I don't do. So pray, wish on it, do what you gotta do. It'll never affect me, cause I'm not the one who will ever fall like a punctured pair of shoes. So what you playboys gonna do? It's been just me versus all you, and I declare war on anyone who comes with that fraudulent juice. Cause it's fuck that phony shit and all of you.